Hi guys, and this is Melody, and today we are going to be unboxing LOL Surprise Pets, and I am 100% sure that I am not going to get a duplicate. Now let's get started because I'm so excited. A perfect zip. Now where did our surprise go? Where is it? Wait a minute. Where's our secret message? It's gone. Where is it? It's probably on the floor, guys. I'll be right back.
It's not there yet. Let's peel another layer.
Okay. Let's peel another layer. See if he's right. Well, that one didn't peel good. And I see we have a pink fall, so not real exciting news. And we don't know our secret message because the next layer was our stickers. So not gonna be anything too exciting. So let's open it up. And we have, here is the litter box. Hey, that litter box is stuck in there. Okay, guys, this is the litter box, and let's open it. That litter box is hard to get open. See if we can zip it. Is it anything like the LOL Pets? No, we can just open it like this. It's really hard to open it, and oopsies, we dropped the blind bag.
We need a Caesar.
Okay, and yes, I got it. And let's see what we have here. What do we have now? Uh-oh, I dropped another blind bag. Why do I keep dropping blind bags? Now, where is our pooper scooper? We have to get our pooper scooper out. What do we have in here? Oh, this is our bottle. Ooh, it's some soda. Looks like that. So cool. We have a hat. And is this our pooper scooper? Is this it? Yes, here it is. And it's a little bunny. And here's our pet. Here's our pet. Let's open it. And we got Honey Bun's bunny. Where's the pooper scooper? There it is. Now let's scoop up this. Let's scoop up the kinetic sand. And it's kind of soft, kind of hard.
What is that?
Kinetic sand. And let's get these out.
What is kinetic sand?
We don't know that. Now let's open this. And here it is. I have to get the kinetic sand out of the shoes. I have to get it out. Now it's stuck in there. I can't leave it in there. Okay, I'll use the top of the pooper scooper to scoop it out. Can't use my hands.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to scoop these out of the shoes.
Oh, the shoes was inside the sand?
Yeah, here they are. And I am not really surprised of this because this kinetic sand goes everywhere. And
Be careful, okay?
it goes everywhere.
You need to clean it up.
Yeah, it goes everywhere, and I have to clean these out.
Why there are 4 shoes? Oh, because it's a bunny, huh?
Yeah. So 4 shoes. It's a bunny.
So whose pet is a bunny?
let's check on the checklist. Here's the checklist.
Is the bunny a popular one or is it a rare one?
It's a popular one.
It is?
Yeah, it is. And we got this one
Yeah.
here.
Whose pet is it?
It either color changes or spits.
Okay. What else do you want to say, Melody?
And guys, let's see if we got the color changing one. Let's put her in some cold water, and we can also find out her special surprise. What is she gonna do? Spit, cry, color change, or do the question mark? And I saw on the checklist that she either color changes or spits. And I think we got the color changing one. We were lucky this time we didn't get the spit. Because I had enough with those spitting babies. Really, I had enough with those spitting babies. Here are the shoes.
Okay.
Here is the green kinetic stand and this scooper. Here's the pet.
Are we
and
done
the
with
hat and the bottle. We have to reveal her surprise. Come on, let's go over to the stage. And here we're gonna catch some ice and cold water and see if she color changes. Did we get the color changing one? Did we? I don't seem to see any color change. Oh yes, we did. I see the color change now.
Yeah.
Here it is. Here's the color change.
Take a look.
It's
Right
on here. Here it is. And she
Okay.
also spits. She color changes, and what else does she do? She also spits.
Okay.
Color changes and spits. And here, if you want to take a closer look at it.
Yeah, let's take a closer look.
And let's get her all dressed up. Here's her hat. Here's her scooper. But I was really hoping to get this little one. I was hoping to get this little one that was fuzzy.
Okay, maybe next time.
It
Okay,
looks
let's wrap
so
up.
cute. And this one comes with this one. It's so cute.
Okay.
I was hoping to get either this one or this one.
Okay. Is she already all dressed up?
No, not yet.
What else is missing?
Her shoes. The sand should get out. Though we have no way to get that sand out. It
Well-
might be stuck in there for forever.
Okay, we'll work together. Alright? It's time to say bye.
Okay, bye guys. And I'm gonna have to be cleaning up all this sand.
Yes, you'll need to.
Okay.
Okay.
Here comes more sand.
Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.